Hello everyone. Today we'll be drawing this Gib and Cotter joint in Autocad. So this is the question I have chosen. We will be drawing the front view of this Gib and Cotter joint. Okay. So first, let us set the units. UN is the command. Decimal precision you can set to this millimeters. Okay. Now we will see the question. First, we will draw this fork end of this Gib and Cotter joint. So this is 152 and this is 64. These are the dimensions of the rectangles we will be drawing first. Okay. So let me draw the line. Auto should be on. This is 152. This is 64. This is 152 and 64. Enter. This is the rectangle. Now we will need a center line. So CL is the command. Center line. This. This. We go the center line. After that, what we have to do the offset. And the offset distance is given this 13 here. Okay, so we will offset now 13. So offset 13. This line towards the inner part, this also towards the inner part. Enter. Now we need to trim few lines. So TR is the command. This line, this line, this line, this. Enter. So we got this portion. Okay. Now we will draw this inner part of the oak. What is the distance? The distance will be this 42, 47, 42 plus 47 plus this 38. Okay, not the 63. This is the complete length of the fork. And we have to draw the inner portion only. So 42 plus 47 plus 38 comes to be 127. So we will draw 127. We can also delete this line, this line, this line, this line. Now line 127, enter, line 127, enter. And we will join these lines. Now remember we offsetted this line 13 mm. So we will also take a line here of 13 mm. So downwards 13 mm. Similarly, upwards 13. Now the length which we will take in this is up to your choice how much length you want to extend this. So we will take it 20. Here also 20 and here also we will extend how much we extend in there only 20 here and this will automatically be 20. Now you see these ends of the fork are broken and rod is also broken. So that means we have to show zigzag lines. I will go to bilayer, other, load, all the way to bottom, zigzag, okay. And we will also be needing these dotted lines. So I will also load it here only. Okay. Now select these lines to zigzag. Now this is too much zigzag lines. So what we will do, we press Control plus 1 on the keyboard. The line type will change to 0.3. So this. Now what we will do, we will mark the distances which are forking. This 42, 47. Okay. So we will take offset 42. This line will be offset 42. This will be also line 42. And enter plus again enter to repeat the 47 now. 47, 47. But these lines need to be dotted. So we will use this dot image. But they are not visible, so we will type control% line type 0.3. Now the dot line is visible. Now we will fork end is ready. Now we'll draw this rod. If you see the distance, first is 41, then it's 47. So we will draw these distances. Offset 41, again enter 47. So you can check here whether your drawing is correct or not. The distance here should always be 3 mm. This distance, this as well as this distance. It should be 3 mm, but it is called the clearance of the joint. Okay. Now what we will do, we will extend this. EX is the command. Both ends extend. Now we have to do this quarter part. If we see the distance, the height of the quarter is 136. So we will go half towards the upper region and half towards the bottom region. So we will do that. Line. Here we will go half of 136 and 68. Enter. And this distance is given as 28. See, this is 28 here. Okay. Now the bottom distance is not given. Wait, I will show you how. First we will go towards the bottom as well. Now this distance is not given, so how we will match these ends? So what we will do, we will take an extended line up to here. Then if you see this distance is given, the thickness we can see it is 22. So we will use this thickness. The line to here 30, sorry, 22. And I will auto I will not use here so that we can join these lines here up and okay. It's done. Now we will simply extend this line. Okay, so we get this quarter and we will extend this line. The quarter point is quarter is ready ours. Now we have to draw this part, give part. So the distance we need is this 14. The parent distance 14 mm. We will draw 14 mm line. We will take 14 mm from here. Ortho should be on 40, and if you see the total distance, it is 96. 96 half is 48. So we will go 48 upwards and up to here this line and value 48 downwards after this line. Now our most of the job is done. Now we need some trend work. This line, this line, this line, our center line, everything gets deleted. This line also, this line also. Okay, this line also, this line, this line, this line, this line also, this line also, this line also, this line also, and this line also, and this line, and done. Now we need to select this line, ortho on, join this line, ortho on, draw this line, this line, this line, this line. Continuous. We'll delete this line once this is not dotted. That is, we can see this line when we are seeing from the when we are drawing the upper half section. Now we need to delete some lines, trim this line also, and we need to provide a clearance of 6 mm. So offset 6. Listen, we'll make a line, extend it towards here, and trim. Then again choose the dotted line, the dotted line here. So most of the part is done. Oh, we forgot to trim this line. Now we need to draw this arcs. We will select the arc here, 3-point arc, ortho arc, draw randomly arc. So now we need to do what else? Fillet. Fillet radius is given. For this radius is given 10 and this is 13. So I will do fillet radius. First we will do 13. Click on multiple. Click these lines. And this is done. And press enter, then press again enter. So the radius was 10x. 10 multiple. This, 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 and this is our Gib and Cotter giant front view. Anything else we need to do? We can do hatching. Okay. Show the upper section. Which anyone else we can choose. You can go here, here, and here. Enter. Again enter. We'll go here and here and here. But the angle needs to be different. So we'll choose angle of 100, I guess, to show that it's all different. Enter. So this is the complete Gib and Cotter font. Now what we need to do, we can do, you can also change the color if it is allowed in examination. We can choose red, enter. This we can choose as neil, enter. So, neil. Looks good with colors. Okay, now we have to do dimensioning. So first, this has to be 38. The dimensions are very small. So we will go annotation, ISO 25, manage dimension styles, modify, go text, we will set as 4. Okay, set current, close. Now the dimensions will be bigger. This is 38. Let's show it on this side, 64. This is 38 on this one. No need. On this one, 136. Show this one, 28. Show this one, 22. Show this one. Ortho should be on 16. And show this one, or not. And 96. This one's also should be shown 63. And this 6. And this clearance 6 this clearance, and enter. Then we go here and choose a radius dimensions to show the this plate radius here and here. So this is completely done. And we can also show this here, put in the red box and go to midpoint so that these two lines are not getting in the way of our diagram. Enter. Similarly for this, enter. Mm, what else? This can also be reduced. And yeah, that's all. And you can mention here. And we can make it bigger. Select, go to here, uh, or scale at any point and make it bigger. So this is our complete drawing. So hope you like the video and subscribe to the channel. There will be more. Maybe in the next video there will be another given quarter joint of different type of question. We will also make the side view and the top view, which are not asked that much in the examinations, but we will also draw that one also. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.